Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to stop that annoying buzzing sound in your ceiling fan. For this job, there's several different ways to do it. I'm just going to run through a couple of them. To start with, you want to make sure that your wires are secure. Sometimes you actually have a gap in there and it's the electricity jumping back and forth that you're hearing. Other times, it's your motor grinding inside. And the way you fix that is by putting oil on your bearings in your motor. That'll help lubricate it to get a nice smooth sound there. Other times, it's your ceiling fan blades that are out of balance. You might want to balance them, try tightening them up just to see if that's it. And other times, it's the light bulbs. If you have it on a dimmer switch, you go to turn it off, your lights are going to hum because you're actually restricting the amount of power that's going to your lights. And sometimes it's as simple as tightening up your sconces. Sometimes they actually start to wobble and make a really loud buzzing sound, which is actually the vibration of the glass against the metal. Other times it's just your chain starting to bounce against the sconces. So the way you handle that is tighten up your bracket that holds your ceiling fan in place, also making sure your ceiling fan blades are securely balanced. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just discussed how to stop that buzzing sound in your ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.